Watch this video and learn how to draw winter hat, scarf and gloves.
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello Artie, I hope you're well. Do you know what we're going to draw today?
Artie doesn't know. No, I don't know.
We're going to draw some winter clothes.
Yeah, okay. Oh, yes, please.
Can you go and get a piece of paper and your marker pens?
Yeah, Artie, go get.
Go on then.
Okay. Thank you. Okay.
I'm excited to see what Artie creates today.
I see you have a lovely blank piece of paper and you've got your marker pens there. Should we begin?
Okay, yeah.
This is going to be fun.
Are you ready to make some art?
I sure am.
Let's start by drawing the bobble that's going to be on the top of the hat. We're just going to draw a sort of circular shape, but almost like a cloud. That's it, a cloudy shaped bobble. Let's draw a curved line up to the bobble on the left and another curved line down from the bobble on the right. This reminds me, Artie, I've lost my bubble hat. Will you help me find it later?
Okay.
Thank you. Now we're going to connect the two lines with a curved line. A straight line down on the right and the left sides. Now let's connect the bottom of those two lines with another curved line. And finally another curved line in the opposite direction underneath. And now we have a hat.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Now, let's draw a sort of upside down J shape on the left of the hat. Another little bit. There you go, Artie. Now it's an upside down J. Let's add a thumb shape and then close the shape together with a curved line along the bottom. Two lines coming down. Then let's draw an oval shape at the bottom. Now we have a glove or a mitten.
Watching Artie make art is so exciting.
I love it.
Now we're going to draw another mitten on the right side. Let's try and match the one we already drew on the left. It doesn't have to be exactly the same, but try and get it as close as you can. And now we have two mittens. Now, let's draw a curved line underneath the hat on the left side and another curved line beside it. Connect those two lines at the top and bottom. Let's draw a line coming out of the top towards the right mitten. Come down from that with another line and then across from the left to connect the shape.
This is a great day.
I'm having a blast.
Now let's draw two long lines coming down towards the bottom of the page. Connect those lines together. That's it. Now two little lines on the left and connect those together. Finally, a big curve all the way across from the left to the right. Perfect. Joke break? You want a joke break, Artie? Mikey, it looks like you're up. Make it a good one.
Hey kids! kids! Welcome back to your favorite part of the show. It's Jokes with Mikey Marker. So, what's a cheerleader's favorite color? Yellow. What color is a burp? Burple. Why did the tomato turn red? Because it saw the salad dressing.
Salad dressing. Oh, Mikey. Very funny. Okay, Artie, come on. Let's carry on with the drawing.
Okay.
Now let's add some detail to our drawing. Firstly, we'll add some stripes to the scarf. Very good, Artie. Now let's add some more stripes on the right. And I think a few stripes to that bottom section that's hanging down. Yes, there. Let's draw another line on the inside of the neck part of the scarf. That's it. It just adds a bit more detail. Now, how about some stripes up the rim of the hat?
This is looking good.
Yes, it is.
Oh yes, those stripes add a lot, Artie. Now it really has dimension. That reminds me, I really must find my bobble hat. It's getting cold outside now. Should we do some stripes on the mittens? Yeah? Okay. That's the left mitten done. And now the right mitten done. I think we need another line inside the hat. Well, that's looking very good to me, Artie. I think it might be finished. You're finished? Well, this drawing looks wonderful. I feel a little bit warmer just looking at your drawing, Artie.
It looks wonderful, Artie.
But it could use some color.
You're all finished, Artie. Wow, it looks so good. I love that you picked that blue colour and the purple colour. They go so well together. Oh, they look so real. I just want to put that hat on my head and those gloves on my hands and wrap that scarf around my cold neck.
I hope you enjoyed the joke break. We'll see you guys soon. Have an Artie day.
Well, thanks for watching, little artists. Have an Artie day, and we'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.